Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. So check this out. Okay, this is another update of the Pecron PV300 Saga mini-series. Okay, I was looking at these boards hella close. Like, I was just trying to figure out what could be different between the original boards that were in there and the new ones that they sent me to put in there. And I could not for the life of me find anything different. Every little number was the same. And then it dawned on me when I watched my own video again, just double check, maybe I missed something. I thought maybe it was a different board, a different little what have you. But look what jumped up at me right away, guys. And I didn't even notice it. I didn't even notice it. Watch how obvious this is. It's so obvious. Now, notice that the new one, see these little, I'm not even going to pretend to know what they are. These little gray things right here. Yeah, I don't even know what they are. Some kind of zinc or semiconductor. I have no idea, right? But now watch this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There's 4 of those, okay? And they're very, very touchy. You can bend them. So they're obviously high up in the air on these little pins, little solder pins, okay, little points. Now look at this, guys. When you look at this one, how many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So do you guys think whatever these things are, I'll try to get closer on the name. I'm not even going to attempt to read that. My eyes will never see that. But there's 6 of these bad boys in a row. See, there's 3 here and 3 there. So the original board had more of whatever this is. So guys, I know we have some educated folks out there in the electronics field. Guys, what the hell are these things, please? So I can learn as well. But obviously, if there's 6 there and there's only 4 here, that is a huge difference of whatever those are. So I'm going to say some kind of semiconductor, or, you know, I don't even know. I'm not even going to guess. I made a guess. It's probably a foolish guess. But this channel was made so I can learn too, you know, so we can all learn as a team. But every other little dot on there looked the same. And I was, you guys ever do that, you know, that, it was like a book like Where's Waldo? Well, that's what I was doing. I was trying to figure out, you know, one of these things is not like the other kind of thing. And I could not, for the life of me, find anything different until I watched my own video. Go figure. So I technically, I think I learned from myself. Is that even possible? I self-learned today. But yeah, so whatever, if anybody out there knows what the heck these things are, I'd love to know. 6 of those and 4 of those. And they're both like that. See, there's 2 and 2, 2 and 2. And this one has 6. And that one has 6. So any guy that's out there, any lady that's out there that has an education in circuitry and circuit panel boards for solar, please let me know what the heck those are. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say. Just see how there's 6 solder points there, guys. 3 and 3, 3, 3. And then this is see, 3, 3 oh yeah, see, okay, so there's an empty spot here, guys. See that? There's 2 empty spots. So they took out, you know, there you go. They took out whatever the heck that was. So that one was this one right there. See how it's full and full, and this one is empty and empty. So as soon as I hear from somebody that has an education higher than my pay grade, which is pretty low to start with, then I can hope maybe at least to relay the information or make another video explaining what that is and what it did. It obviously did something, because the panels now work in series with absolutely no problems, no faults, all the way up to 80 volts input. So that was the problem I was having with version 1. But all right, guys, well, I just want to leave you with this. I happened to have a aha moment, so I wanted to make a video real quick before I forgot the aha. So all right, guys, leave your comments, please, guys. Let me know what the heck these are and what do they do. Maybe there's some kind of regulator or something that regulates the power, or I don't know. Okay, guys, let me know, please. All right, be safe, ramble on, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.